Hey bro, we just rained here. Everything's wet. I said I'd come out here and try to start a fire. It's not ideal. I wanted Sandra to be here to video this for me, but it's just one quick one here. So all we got is one brick and one match. So let's see if we can get her going. So Clement Sims Cedar Firestarters. All you need is one match and one brick, and you have yourself a fire. So let's put this in here. As you can see, we got that. Now, just run and grab some wet wood here. Okay, so got some wood. All you gotta do is mosquitoes. Just put your wood in here. Place your wood around the flame, and that's all you gotta do. Pile your wood up like so. There. You got yourself a fire. How hard was that? Very easy. And you just sit back and let the fire go. No paper, no kindling. Easy peasy. These Cedar fire starters are awesome. So that was one match, one brick, and we got one fire. So I'll show you here, you can see right down there, that's our cedar fire starter, so it's still burning, right? And look at the fire we got already. And just sit back and enjoy. Pretty awesome. And like I said, we just had well, you can see the pavement. It's all wet. We just had a downpour here, so the fire pit's full of water. Everything's wet. The grill is wet, and well, you can look at the chair. Just had fresh rain here, but our Cedar fire starters don't want to quit.